Hey guys, it's Lisa from All Around Lisa, and today I'm gonna go super crazy. Can I tell you how? I'm gonna change my channel name. Crazy, I know. But my channel name's now gonna be L Squad. L Squad! By the way, the only reason I'm changing it is because it's shorter and I guess cooler. And simpler for you guys at home, so yeah. By the way, I do have red dye in my hair, and this will wash, and this will come off in the shower. I just gotta wash it out. So yeah, today we're gonna be slime making. So yeah, let's go. Yeah. Okay, you guys, in the slime making, I'm not gonna say a word, and you're not really gonna see my face because I'm gonna be showing you what's going inside the bowl. So yeah, the ingredients you'll need is glue, baking soda, contact lens, and any add-ins. For example, I'm going to be adding some hand soap and pink paint. Let me go and get that right here. So I guess let's get slime making. Okay, I know you guys see the bowl's very dirty, but yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour in the glue. Very quick. Okay, I'm gonna go for that, because maybe, just maybe, we might make another slime. So yeah, and covering the camera face. So yeah, I'm gonna now add some baking soda. I'm gonna reach. Okay, that's probably good. You guys, I'm so sorry. I forgot. I've got to be quiet. And I got something on my face. No clue what it is, but yeah. I'm going to try and be quiet from now on. Starting, wait, I just said now on. So yeah, let me add the ingredient. Let's go. Okay, so there it is. Let me just go and get my dough. That's probably good. And now I'm gonna go and mix it. I'm not gonna show you the mixing because obviously that's the boring part. I can't be quiet, I'm sorry. The video is just not gonna have to be quiet. Not at all. So I guess this is just gonna be a challenge video. You guys, we are slime making. This already feels like it's forming. There's probably like some spare activator in this one. You guys, look at this. Can you guys see it? I think I'm gonna take on the task of being quiet, not quiet. So yeah, just wait a second. See how this goes. I'm gonna be quiet now. I'm gonna speak when the camera turns around to me. I'm allowed to speak. I'm adding in more glue, so yeah. If anything comes out, because to me, seems like nothing's coming. Have we finished the? Oh wait, something's coming.
Which device or contact do you want to call?
Alexa just turned on. Well, maybe I said Alexa accidentally. She's listening.
Find that device or contact name. Select your contacts. First register.
Oh, Alexa. We aren't speaking to you. Technology still has to learn. Okay. It hasn't really done much. But I'm gonna turn the camera around to you. Rewind it. And now my mom and brother have gone crazy. Well, mainly my brother. Sorry, I'm gonna be starting again. My brother caught my friend from somewhere, I'm not gonna say where, was on camera. You guys, I think my mum's gonna start to film. So, yeah. Hey. You guys, I did off camera do a bit more mixing. It's kind of stiff, but really soft at the same time. I think I'm gonna make it a bit softer. Add some of whatever this is. Hand sanitizer, no soap. Shake it out. Still not coming out. Oh, there. Oh no, wrong place. You guys. Trying to make it sweaty. On top. Oh yeah, that's much better. Can you guys hear it? Sorry if you hear in the background again. My brother. He's doing all night. So silly. He's like, no, I'm joking. Can you guys hear it? Wait. Wait, that's getting way softer. Okay. I'm just gonna say, wait 1 second. You guys. This is actually a really nice pink. Imagine if it was the same color as my hair. Like the red pink, obviously. The reddish pink. Ugh. This is so slippery. you try and squeeze it. But this actually makes such a nice sound. Can you guys at home hear this? Did you hear that? That's the best slime making ever. That's the noises you want to hear in your slime. Definitely not the looks, but definitely the noises. And the noises are funny, full on. Yeah. My mum behind the camera is so sweet, and she's smiling. I love her so much. Thank you so much actually for doing the camera. It was so hard doing it myself. Thumbs up. If you can't see, she's doing a thumbs up, which you probably can't see. Slime. By the way, one of you people out there can win this slime. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and yeah, comment down below, hashtag I did it or hashtag LSquad. Shout out to my mum for doing this actually. I mean, thank you so much. It was so hard filming myself. Thank you again.
You're welcome.
Okay, one more time. That's all for today. So bye. See you all next time.